Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to describe a case study that why having a dash cam is really important. Even at the parking mode and even at the rear recording is also really important. And you know what guys, before I would go further, that I even tried to find out a 360 degrees recording, but I did not get any. So that's fine, but I still recommend that at least front and rear modes you must have. And even if when your car is standing at parking, you can power your dash cam, uh, and still you can use it in parking mode, or if you want you can use a power bank, whatever, up to you. I have used power bank, but when you use a power bank you need to consider other circumstances also. So this is what I would suggest that uh, you can do over here. All right guys, so there was a case. One person was had parked his car. Luckily he was inside his car at a parking lot in a mall. Okay, a woman who was behind, she was coming from a direction, she hit his car from the back, and there was significant damage. So they decided to report to the collision center. Initially woman apologized because the guy's car was stationary and was parked within parking area. Then the woman had hit it, but when they went to the collision center to report, the woman changed her statement. The woman said that his car was not inside the proper markings and he was moving, so his mistake was also there. So she was trying to cover up. But this guy was clever. What he did, like, because this car was parked in front of a pizza shop, he requested the pizza shop owner for the footage, and he got. So now he has got solid evidence to prove his claim and to prove the woman wrong. So he was lucky because he managed to get the pizza shop footage. But what if he couldn't? That is where your dash cam comes into the picture. Your dash cam can easily capture that you were not moving at all, and if she has hit, it's gonna cover everything. So my recommendation that always have a dash cam. Rest is up to you guys. Thanks for watching. Because when you go to insurance and other things, having evidence is really important. Just because you are saying something doesn't mean it's gonna be understood or accepted, and there are people who change their statements later. But if you have solid evidence like dashcam footage, it really helps. Thanks for watching guys.